This is just a quick tutorial introducing the manager into their permission level and what they see and what they can actually do. If you've been given the management permission level, when you log into the system, this is what you would see. You would see the site icon page for the site that you're related to. You've got this management icon here, which opens up your admin panel, and this admin panel is the same admin panel as the admin user, but you're looking at this is now filtered for the site of warehouse only, because that's the site you're related to. So all these features inside the system you have the same as the admin permission level, but only for your site. To learn a bit more about all these different sections, it's a good idea for you to go to the help section and have a look at all the different training videos inside here on how to use different things. Come home here or watch these kind of registers here, because it'll give you a really good kind of step-by-step guide on how to do things. You can also just watch step-by-step pictures of all these different processes, or submit a ticket if you need any help. So getting back to that site icons, you can actually select back, opens up your site icons, and these are all the registers literally in the system, and you can use them but individually for your site. So you've got your to-do list up here, and these are to-do items that might be assigned to you, or you've assigned to yourself, whatever it may be, or your admin user might have assigned them for you to complete. So literally all you do is actually select on the action, will take you to the very thing that you need to do, this one being that it's an online induction. So let's just go back to site icons. That'll always take you back to your home page. Rightio, so you're looking at, so to learn more about all these kind of icons here, again, as I mentioned, you just go into the help section. To enter a brand new employee for your site, you would actually hit your management icon and select on your employee register here and enter your employee. If you want to know how that register works, you'll find that it'll always be how does this register works just here. But each register is very, very similar. You'll have the name of the register. You can publish this register in a variety of reports. You'll go back to your previous page, and to add something, it's always in the top right hand corner. So again, if you wanted to find out more about this kind of section here, go to your help section and watch the video on the employee register. Let's just go back. So you've got a variety of reports that you can actually print out as well relating to your incidents. So you can actually select this report, and this report is now filtered for your site. Hence there's no data in there, because there's been no incidents related to the site of warehouse. But if we actually logged in as an admin user, all this would be populated. So some of the icons you really should be using straight away is this meeting builder. You can have meetings, assign actions, and really it's a great feature, especially for consultation. In regards to incidents and hazards and so forth, your admin user really should have been supplying you with a QR code of some sort, where you can actually just scan and do that QR code. If they haven't, maybe you need to speak to them. You'll also find this history button up here, and this history button is actually related to individual history of that person, being that we've logged in here as Adrian Moore. So if I just go back there, and that history there is the same history button as if I go to the employee section here and select history next to someone. It's just that when the employee logs in, they can actually select that and only see their details, so they can see their history. The difference between a management and employee permission level is when I log into the system here, if I actually select the register here, they don't see this edit icon. They can't edit things. So it they can add things or view this view icon, or depending on what it is, but they can't edit data inside your system. That was just a quick little tutorial in introducing you to how the online WHS system works as a manager. For more information, as mentioned, select the help guide. Thank you.